Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Audible for Mac. And basically I'm using a MacBook in this video, but it's the exact same on any other Mac device. And if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So basically what you have to do is go to the App Store on your Mac device. For me it's down on the dock here, but if you don't have it there, go up to the search button here and type in App Store and then press enter. And that's going to launch the App Store for you. And then in the top left, type in Audible, press search. And then you can see this one here, Audible Audio Entertainment. Click in there. And basically, you have a button here. It looks like a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow. This just means that I've downloaded Audible, maybe not on specifically this device, but on my App Store account in the past, maybe on my iPhone or another device or whatever. For you, if you've never downloaded Audible before, you will have a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or press the cloud icon with the downwards pointing arrow, and that's going to start the download. And you can see the progress of the download by the blue ring going around the circle. And there we go, the download has completed, and the App Store gives us the option to actually press the open button from within the App Store, and it's going to launch the Audible app. Press this. Give it some time to load. And there we can see Audible has downloaded and installed successfully on this device. You can go to continue and then log in from there. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.